Good morning, good evening, and good night. Wherever you are in the world watching, welcome to Sonia's Creative Kitchen. For today, guys, we are going to make Hominy corn porridge. So come along with me. Let me show you how it's done. Right here, guys, we have our Hominy corn. I've been soaking for a few hours, and we have different type of Hominy corn. This is the white one and this is the yellow one. So I mix them both. Right here we have some whole milk and we have some allspice. We have little salt, vanilla, nutmeg, milk, cinnamon stick, and cinnamon leaf. We have some all-purpose flour, but if you have corn flour you can use it also, but this is what I have, so this is what I'm going to work with. Right over here we have our coconut, so I'm gonna blend it. So stay tuned, guys, and watch the process. Welcome back, guys. So now I am going to turn on my stove. I am going to add my cinnamon stick. Just gonna do one because I have my cinnamon leaf. So I'm gonna have this boiled together and I'm gonna use liquor allspice just for flavor. So now, guys, I am going to go ahead and cover it, let it come to a boil. So in the meantime, I am going to go ahead and get my coconut blend. I am going to go ahead and blend my coconut. So guys, now that my coconut is blended, I'm gonna juice it. Very rich. Look at this, guys. So now, guys, I'm going to wash my hands. And I want you to check in on my Hominy corn. Look how beautiful this look. Smells so good with the allspice, the mixed allspice, cinnamon leaf, cinnamon stick. So now, guys, I'm going to leave it, so don't go anywhere. I'll be right back. So guys, I am going to add back my coconut milk into the blender because I am going to add 2 tablespoons of flour. And I'm going to add some whole milk also. Blend everything together. So guys, now I'm going to go ahead and add in my whole milk, coconut milk, with the flour. Look how beautiful this look, guys. Smell amazing. I don't want it to be too thick. If it happened that it need a little bit more flour, I'll do so. But for now, I'm going to leave it to come to a boil. So don't go anywhere. I'll be right back, guys. Okay, guys, so now I am going to cover my pot and leave it to come to a boil.
1,000 years later.
Welcome back, guys. Look how beautiful this look. So I'm checking in on my Hominy corn porridge. Smells so good. Look, guys. This is how I want it to look. See, coat the spoon. Smells so good. So now I am going to cover it and let it finish cook. And the next time you see me, I am going to sweeten my Hominy corn porridge. So don't go anywhere. I'll be right back. So now it is time to sweeten my Hominy corn porridge. So now I'm going to add some nutmeg, a little bit more allspice, some vanilla, I'm going to add all of this milk, condensed milk. I'm not going to use any sugar, guys. Guys, I already add the salt. I just didn't show it on camera. But I have salt in here. Look how beautiful this look, guys. Not too thick. Look. So guys, I am going to taste it. This tastes so good. Tastes amazing. Delicious, guys. Delicious. So, don't go anywhere. Next time you see me, I will be sharing my porridge. Welcome back, guys. Look at my Hominy corn porridge. Look how beautiful this look. Tastes amazing. Looks good. Now, I am going to taste and give you my honest opinion. I don't want this porridge to burn me, so me I go cool it well.
Into the mouth. Nice.
Guys, look at this. Delicious. Delicious. Wow. This right here is the bomb. Trust me. When I tell you guys this tastes good, I meant every single word. So now guys, we have make it to the end of our video. Thank you so much for watching. Thank you so much, my wonderful subscriber, everyone that comment, everyone that hit the like button, everyone that give me a thumbs up. I appreciate all of you guys. Keep on supporting this channel and let us all grow together. But before I go, I want to give a shout out to Kafandi Brisset, Shawnagay Edwards, Suzette Sewell, Kevin Carr, Maxine Garden, Anne Chantel Fisher, Anthony Fisher. And I would like to give a big shout out to Bulla Ed Alex. Big up your Walla, Red Shop, Front Lane and Back Lane. Sumbo, you know yourself. Sharon, you know yourself. Shanagay Peart, you know yourself. And remember, we say Jamaica. See you on the next video. Bye.